When installing a French drain system, always use an excavator. An excavator will create a really large channel that you can later fill full of stone. This will move water uninterrupted. Do not use a trencher. Systems that are put in with a trencher fail and have to be replaced. They expire. A system that's put in with an excavator, all this heavy soil is then removed off site. It's not put back in this channel. This channel will be filled full of stone. Sod can grow on top of this as long as you leave 2.5 inches of root. You will not need surface drains. This is a true French drain. It will be maintenance free and fully contained. When you want a French drain system done right the first time, give us a call.